Mel. Welcome to Cedar Point's Winter Chill Out 2022.
So we got some rules for Cedar Point Winter Chill Out. We got the map with all the stops and activities to do. We have Hugo's, which is one of the locations for the restrooms and for lunch. We have Ocean Motion all covered up. And back there is the barn where you can see the parade floats from this year and that are returning this summer. Unfortunately, any inside buildings we cannot videotape. But if you saw the parade for the 150th, some of those floats are returning. So these are the floats from the 150th celebration parade last year. This particular float is the Hotel Breaker one with a trampoline for gymnastics to jump on. And these are the driver's seats where you can tell it gets pretty hot, so they have lots of fans. Next, we have the costume shop. They do make most of their costumes here. You can see the different sketches, all the different fabrics. The only thing they don't tend to make are the slacks. And here is a costume from the 150th parade from last year. Here's the headpiece for the popcorn outfit. And over here we have some of the props from the parade as well. We are backstage behind some of the midway game areas, and this whole section back here is usually filled with plushes and different prizes that you can win. So these are the legacy bricks. You can purchase one and have it say whatever you would like, include an image or not include an image. We have one brick that is installed. We have another one that will be installed for this 2022 season. Some of them have really cute sayings on it, so come by and check them out. Skee ball!
Oh.
We gotta play free skee ball.
Should we break into V-Tech for a little again?
And here lies the former site of the Wicked Twister. After almost 20 years, it was removed last season. They haven't made an announcement yet what they will be placing it with, but you can tell this area is pretty open now. They took out the theater that was here and they keep replacing it with either a lounge area or temporary activity area for the holidays like Halloween. We wouldn't be surprised if they relocated some of the other rides here, like Tiki Twirl, and reimagined this whole area and really showcase the beach, which Cedar Point is known for. For this event, they are selling off some of the wheels for the Wicked Twister, and they had a raffle to sell some of the signs and other parts. Later, they will be selling some of the wheels online, so keep an eye on Cedar Point's online store. So Erie Estates during Halloween weekends is open as one of the haunted houses. And now we get to take a look with the lights on. It looks so different with the lights on. You can see all the different props they have. You can see the details in all the photos. But also you realize how empty a lot of this space is. Closed for another season.
Oh.
Here off behind the scenes, right behind the restrooms by the giant like slingshot type ride, we have the sign and animation shop. We have tons of signs in here, both past and present from the park, as well as a lot of the kind of animated props, specifically from Halloween weekends, along with tons of skeletons. They did confirm that for the 2022 season, Town Hall Museum will not be opening. New for the 2022 season is the Farmhouse Kitchen and Grill here in Frontier Town. After the season ended last year, they tore down the antique cars back here. There are still the antique cars called Cadillac cars in the front of the park, but these are by far my favorite with the water feature, bridge, and it's just more serene and quiet. This restaurant is way bigger than I expected. It looks like they are going to use the covered bridge from the antique cars as a walking path, which is a really nice way to pay homage to the old space. In our special Q&A presentation, they mentioned it will be similar to Back BQ. The food will be from scratch and include flank steak, chili, and corn ribs. They have some limited time options by rotating menu items out like the protein. It sounds like it might have some sort of open air kitchen design where you can see the meat being butchered. They also are going to have plenty of outdoor seating. I wouldn't be surprised if some of the other restaurants over here end up closing in the future, because there's the quick service chicken place called the Roundup and 2 sit-down restaurants, Miss Keith's Smokehouse and the Last Chance Saloon, right around the corner in the same area. The one very cool feature about visiting during the off season is none of the roller coasters are running, so you can get up and close to them into areas that are usually restricted due to your safety. Here we have Maverick in its launch tunnel. So here we have a very cool footage of Valraven after their first drop. Park Services used to house the old pirate ride, and you can still see the tracks on the floor. They currently are very stockpiled of paper products due to the pandemic and causing supply issues.